Hello everyone, I'm powerfully excited to share today's recipe with you. It is healthy, colorful, flavorful and delicious. Pineapple, fried rice and fried plantain. Get your power oil, basmati rice, pineapple, red, green and yellow bell peppers, carrot, sweet corn, spring onions, garlic, ginger, onions, plantain, butter, soy sauce, oyster sauce, corn flour, cardamom, star anise, dried rosemary, curry, dried pepper, bouillon cubes, salt, beef, shrimps, eggs and liver. Pineapple helps reduce inflammation. Bell peppers are filled with antioxidants and promote collagen. Garlic is good for your immunity. Ginger helps with inflammation. Oyster sauce is rich in zinc and enhances your flavor. Shrimp is good in omega-3 acids. And the star of the day that ties all the food together, power oil. Rich in vitamin A, omega-3 fatty acid and zero cholesterol. Can you see that this recipe is not just about colors but a powerhouse of nutrients? It's time to cook. Prep all your ingredients ahead of time for easy cooking. Start by boiling water, rinse and pour in your washed basmati rice and allow it to cook. Boil and fry the liver and set it aside. Slice your plantain and salt it. Heat up your pan, pour in your power oil. Just look at the clarity of the oil. Allow the oil to get hot and start frying till golden brown. Pack and set it aside. The rice is done. Drain out the water and allow it to cool. While you wait, start chopping all your veggies. Cut your washed pineapple into two and use about half for your rice. Also chop your garlic and ginger. Add a bit of water into your corn flour and set it aside. Stir fry is fast and quick, so once you start, you can't stop the process. Always double check that all you need is ready and within your reach. Next, heat up your pan and add a bit of oil and butter. Crack your eggs, whisk, add a bit of salt and scramble your eggs. Pack it out in the same pan, add a bit of oil. Fry your shrimps slightly. Pack them out also and in goes your marinated sliced beef. Flip till you get that very brown color. Add some garlic, ginger and onions and mix. Pour in your corn flour, just a bit for that silky look and pack it out. It's time for the stir fry. Are you ready? Let's go. In the same pan, add your power oil. Once it gets hot, drop in your garlic, ginger, spices and bouillon cubes. It's sizzling. Carrots first, then all your veggies and sweet corn. Stir, keep going. Liver, shrimps, beef, eggs, pineapple. Time for your rice. Stir together. Make a well in the center. Add your soy sauce, mix together. Add your oyster sauce. Come closer. What do you see? The rice is not sticking. Power oil is really good. Turn down the heat and add the spring onions and you can rest your hands. Now, it's time for your reward. Serving and tasting time. This is really good in every way. You deserve to recreate this recipe for your maximum healthy satisfaction. Thank you, Power Oil, for putting my health first. Keep watching for Fofolicious Food Bites for more healthy, delicious recipes. Thank you.